Good morning. Today we're going to talk a little bit about benefits of an RO system. A friend of mine recommended that we share a tip on bottled water. There's plastic everywhere, and if you look in most people's garbage cans in their kitchen, all they're doing is throwing out, drinking half a bottle of water, either dumping out the rest and then throwing the plastic in a bin. If you have a reverse osmosis system, you don't have to lug the bottles back to the house or anything else. You can have ultra pure water, similar to bottled water, right underneath the sink with a device like this mounted underneath your cabinet, underneath the kitchen sink. It'll give you bottled water quality coming out. You're not throwing plastics out, and you're not lugging any more water. So if you have any questions about RO systems and how they're installed and what they do, just reach out to us, give us a call, and we can answer any questions you've got, and you can get rid of the plastic bottles. Thank you.